doll collectors and gift givers. Here is another My Froggy Stuff Buyer's Guide. Finally, after a very long time of searching relentlessly, we've got the new BMR 1959 Barbie dolls. I usually name these dolls after their face sculpts, so this is Tango, Diva or Midge. We'll probably go with Midge. Tate, he's new, and Claudette. She was by far the most difficult out of all of the four for me to find. I didn't get there fast enough when she was first released, so I had to order her on pre-order. It took a while, but we finally got her. I bought these two from Barbie.Mattel.com. They were both $30 each, and I bought these two on Amazon for $29.99. On Barbie's website, it says all of these dolls are for adult collectors. In the previous series, these dolls are on a made-to-move body, so if you can handle a made-to-move body, then you'll have no problem with these. Once again, the dolls come in this really cool shoebox. I'm not gonna lie, this is probably my favorite doll packaging. It's very simple, very sleek, very fashionable, and it's reusable, which is one of my favorites. And very little plastic. Open the lid, remove the paper to reveal the doll. Here is Midge. These dolls are very, very colorful. She is held in the box with a few plastic stays. Let's cut those real quick, very carefully, to remove the doll. Out of the box, you get a doll stand that says BMR 1959 on the bottom. Assembly is pretty standard, so the doll can be displayed. Midge has a caramel brown skin tone. She wears a red bucket hat with BMR 1959 printed on it. The hat is made out of fabric. It looks like she has hazel eyes with red makeup underneath, thick eyebrows with a soft colored lip. She wears an oversized jersey that says BMR 1959 on the front in a variety of colors. It is white on the back. She wears a loose fit white tank top underneath, yellow and blue plaid pants with an elastic waistband. They have elastic at the bottom as well, and she wears some large chunky green shoes. They have straps going across the front, and these shoes will give her a little extra height. Her nails are painted red. This doll has a made-to-move original body with movement at the head, upper chest, arm, upper arm, elbow, wrist, hip, a double joint at the knee, and there is movement at the ankle. She wears her hair in two large twists with colored rubber bands. Tate is up next. Out of the box, he comes with a doll stand, a blue visor with white painted details. He has red hair on top, painted sides. The hair has a lot of texture. It's kind of curly. There is some product in there with some crunchy spots. I think I have a little bit of a box hair situation going on, so his hair might require a little attention to get it the way I want it. He has silver colored earrings in both ears. Nice and simple, they don't really move. He has blue eyes and freckles. To me, the paint on his face is a little digitized. When you put the two of them side by side, hers is definitely smoother than his. He has freckles that are really cute. I just wish that the paint color on his face was a little smoother. He wears a black and white crop sweatshirt hoodie. There are no closures in the back. It is all one piece. He wears yellow pants that open on the sides. They have a black and white ribbon going down the leg that says BMR 1959. He has a black hip bag that says BMR 1959 in a variety of colors. It fastens in the back, and the belt is pretty long. He wears all white sneaker sandals and is fully articulated with movement at the head, the shoulder, the upper arm, the elbow, that is a double joint there, the wrist, upper chest, hip, there is a double joint at the knee, and he can move at the ankle. When compared to the kin from Wave 1, Tate has a little more pink in his skin tone. However, this kin does have some flocking on his hair, and this one is just painted. I was hoping he could be a body donor for Steve Trevor, but no. Up next, Claudette. Ready for the big reveal? This is our very first Made to Move Petite Barbie! Out of the box, she has a blend of purple and pink hair. She has painted on baby hair, 3 knots in the front, and a bun in the back. She has large BMR 1959 gold earrings. Really like those. Her face paint is also pixelated. There is white eyeliner under her eyes. With her shoes on, she stands around 10.5 inches tall. She wears a black and white houndstooth jacket with some serious little shoulders there, with an orange patent leather looking outfit underneath. They put little plastic stays in it to keep the jacket in place, and unfortunately that left a little bit of a mark. But it is on the hemline, so it might not be that noticeable. The top is sleeveless, but it does have plastic straps to keep it in place. The skirt is fitted. They are 2 separate pieces and Velcro in the back. She finishes her look with yellow, chunky sneakers. Her fingernails are painted pink, and her hand shape is a little different. Here is a side-by-side comparison of Midge's hand and Claudette's. Claudette's hand is actually pretty similar to Diana Prince's or Wonder Woman's hand. She is fully articulated with movement at the head, the shoulder, the upper arm, the elbow, double joint there, the wrist, little something at the upper torso, the hip, knee, and ankle. Everything you would expect to see on a made-to-move body. I am really happy that we have a petite made-to-move body. I love diversity in the miniverse. Last but not least, here is Tango. This is a tall made-to-move Barbie. She comes with a doll stand, knee-high clear plastic green shoes. Her hair is brown with some lighter brown highlights. She wears 2 barrettes in the front. Her face paint is slightly pixelated. However, with the lip color, I think it totally works. I like that really soft ombre fade thing we have going on with a little bit of gloss. Yeah, that's cool. And I guess those highlights are a little more blonde than brown. She has green eyeshadow above her eyes. She wears a yellow, clear orange, and pink parka. It has a large hood, gathers at the waist, and has elastic at the bottom of the sleeves. Oh look, her nails are painted green. She wears a black and white cropped tank top, matching biker shorts. They do say BMR 1959 on them, in a repeated pattern on both the top and bottom. I think this is a very pretty doll. I just would have liked to have seen a little smoother paint on the eyes. Overall, I think this wave fits seamlessly with Wave 1, with the bright colors and the logos. And there are a lot of good fashion pieces here that we can add to our doll wardrobe. I like those plaid pants. Mini Toya will most likely steal these yellow pants. I like that jacket and those earrings. And I also like her jacket, top, and biker shorts. I really like that we have a petite made-to-move body, and I am already searching through my dolls for a head swap. Just for fun, we do have a quick craft inspired by the BMR 1959 doll boxes. I have brown cardstock. It's about the same color as the doll box. I put it in our printer and printed out our new Shoebox printable, inspired by BMR 1959 doll packaging. Ours says MFS for My Froggy Stuff, then it says 2010 because that's the year we started our YouTube channel. Never stop creating, never stop playing, never stop being you. Then I used some of Bella's artwork from her Instagram on the cover of the doll boxes. This one's supposed to be me, and here is Bella. This printable will be available on our blog, myfroggystuff.blogspot.com. After printing, cut on the outside line, fold in on all the lines, and make a crease. Take these tiny tabs right here and glue them to the side right next to them. I'm using a glue stick, and I put the glue just on the tab, then stick it to the side and hold it. Repeat on the other side, then fold over the top tab and glue it down, and that will glue the tabs in between the two layers. On the side, fold over the tiny tab and glue it down, then fold over the longer tab and glue it on top. Repeat on the other side to make the lid of the box. For the bottom of the box, take this small tab, fold it over and glue it down. Repeat on both sides. Take the tabs and glue them to the adjacent side. Now we just have one more tab to fold over and glue down, completing our BMR 1959 inspired shoebox that can really open, that we can put our doll shoes in. We can take it a step further, cut colored cardstock, fold over the sides like a trifold, cut a strip of tissue paper or paper. I'm using one of our printables. This is about 6 inches long and the width of the box. Place the paper into the box with the good side facing down. Add the colored cardstock on top so it's pink on the inside. Then we can just fold the paper over to act as our tissue paper for inside the box. Place one of the mini Barbies from the dollar store inside to create your own miniature BMR 1959 inspired doll in a box. You can use it for dolls, you can use it for shoes, or to just store small items and accessories. Here is the Toya box, and here is the Bella box, all complete and ready for the dollhouse. Overall, I like that all of these dolls are made to move. Yeah! We got petite, tall, original, and the guys. I'm not overly excited about the pixelated face paint, but we can easily solve that with a little head switcheroo. I think the fashion pieces will be fun to mix and match, like I am totally stealing that sweatshirt, so I am glad I added these dolls to my collection. Thank you for joining us while we took a look at the new BMR 1959 dolls and made our own miniature boxes. Let us know in the comments down below if these dolls are a buy or a pass. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff and the Frog Vlog. And we will see you next time. Bye!